We often hear that exercise is always good for us, and some YouTubers recommend exercising every day, insinuating that we have a weak mentality if we don't work out daily. Consequently, many of us try to exercise every day without question. But is it really beneficial for our health? A study conducted by Dr. James H. O'Keefe and his team revealed the effects of regular versus intermittent exercise on preventing coronary heart disease. To summarize the findings, individuals who exercised every day showed higher coronary heart disease rates than those who exercised 2-3 times a week, 4-6 times a week, and even just once a week. Surprising, isn't it? We've been taught by the media and influencers for a long time that exercise is supposed to be unequivocally good for our health. Well, here's the lesser-known fact. Exercising actually induces a form of oxidative stress on our bodies, akin to exposure to toxins or pollutants. In this video, we will delve into the science behind why exercising every day can potentially damage your health. From birth to death, our bodies strive to maintain a balance of oxidative stress. It's crucial to understand this concept, and to comprehend oxidative stress, we must first understand its key player, the free radical. A free radical is a chemically reactive, unstable molecule in the body that lacks an electron. They are typically considered bad, as they cause cellular, protein, and DNA damage via oxidation. You can observe oxidation in action, like when a cut apple turns brown within minutes. Similarly, natural oxidation in the body leads to aging, such as the formation of wrinkles and organ deterioration. Notably, humans and other aerobic organisms constantly produce free radicals as part of normal metabolic processes, and also due to external stimuli. Additionally, there's another player, the antioxidant. An antioxidant is any substance that prevents or slows down the oxidation process by generously donating electrons to free radicals. Think of free radicals as lonely friends desperate to bond with anyone, and antioxidants as generous grandparents. Now, back to oxidative stress. It simply means an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in your body, where there are too many free radicals compared to antioxidants. Thus, the process of oxidation overwhelms antioxidation. Earlier, I mentioned that exercise induces oxidative stress on our bodies. Exercise is essentially a process through which we intentionally expose our bodies to oxidative stress. But based on our common sense, isn't exercise supposed to be good for our health? Here's the kicker. When our bodies are exposed to a certain amount of oxidative stress, our antioxidant systems kick in to neutralize it. Exercise increases antioxidant activities in skeletal muscle, heart, and liver, thereby limiting free radical production and oxidative damage. So, while exercise does induce oxidative stress, we voluntarily engage in it to activate our antioxidant systems because we generally expect the net benefit to be greater than the harm if an adequate amount and well-programmed exercise is conducted. Remember, it's all about keeping the balance. All things considered, like your genetics, diet, potential harm, and benefits of exercise, etc. If oxidation dominates your body for a long time, exercising too frequently, especially at high intensity, can actually do more harm than good for some people, while exercising every day can be okay or even beneficial for others. Now, let me share a couple of anecdotes to drive my message home. Winston Churchill lived into his 90s, even becoming Prime Minister of the UK in his 80s, despite always having a cigar in hand and whiskey nearby. Conversely, James Fixx, who popularized running marathons, died of a heart attack while running. His father died of a heart attack at 43, and Fixx himself had a congenitally enlarged heart and had an unhealthy lifestyle. Fixx was a heavy smoker before beginning running at age 36, had a stressful occupation, had undergone a second divorce, and gained weight up to 214 pounds. However, excessive exercise, combined with his genetics and previous lifestyle, eventually exposed him to oxidative stress for a long time and led to his demise. So, how should we scientifically approach exercise to maximize its benefits? To answer this question, we need to delve deeper into antioxidants. Antioxidants can be categorized into endogenous and exogenous ones. Endogenous antioxidants are those produced by our bodies, such as the ones produced after exercising, while exogenous antioxidants come from outside sources and help our bodies. Phytochemicals, vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients we consume act as exogenous antioxidants, protecting our bodies. Our bodies are intelligent, Relying solely on diet to regulate antioxidant systems is risky because we might not always consume enough or eat properly. Therefore, our bodies have internal antioxidant systems to address these challenges. Now, we should be able to answer the question by examining this chart. To exercise as frequently as possible while maximizing the benefits, we can follow these 3 steps. First, reduce oxidants by avoiding stimuli such as radiation, alcohol, and smoking. If you're not accustomed to exercise, start with walking a few times a week and gradually increase intensity. Second, supplement endogenous antioxidants with exogenous antioxidants by consuming a healthy diet and carefully taking supplements like vitamins A, C, and E or phytochemicals. And third, do both to effectively manage oxidative stress. In summary, exercise helps our bodies adapt and become resilient to oxidative stress, but it's crucial to understand and manage the balance of antioxidants in our bodies to avoid excessive stress and potential harm. As Oscar Wilde said, everything in moderation, including moderation. As always, stay curious. If you found this video helpful, please consider watching another video and subscribing.